In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira to track sprint health and team throughput. To get started, log into Jira and open your Scrum project. Once you're inside the project, go to the active sprint board. This is the main place where you can quickly understand what the team is working on right now and how the sprint is progressing overall. From the board, open the active sprint view. Here, review the issues across columns such as to do, in progress, and done. As you scan the board, pay close attention to anything that seems stuck. If tasks are sitting in the same column for too long, or if progress looks uneven, that can be an early sign of delays. This view gives you a simple snapshot of sprint health and helps you spot blocked work before it becomes a bigger problem. Next, go to Reports and open the burn down chart. The burn down chart shows how much work remains compared to the sprint timeline. This is one of the most useful tools for understanding whether the team is moving at the expected pace. If the remaining work is dropping steadily, that usually means the sprint is on track. If the line stays flat for too long or falls behind the ideal trend, the team may be at risk of missing sprint goals. To track team throughput, stay in Reports and open the velocity chart, or review completed issues if that fits your workflow better. Look at how many story points or issues the team finishes each sprint. Then compare those results across multiple sprints. This helps you understand the team's typical delivery pace and makes it easier to plan future sprints with more accuracy. You should also monitor work in progress on a regular basis. Review issues that are still in progress and identify tasks that have been open longer than expected. Long-running work often signals hidden blockers, unclear requirements, or dependencies slowing the team down. Bring these items into daily stand-ups so the team can discuss what's needed to move them forward. For better visibility, go to Dashboards and either create a new team dashboard or open an existing one. Add useful gadgets such as Sprint Health Gadget, Created vs. Resolved Chart, Filter Results, and Sprint Burndown. A dashboard brings key sprint metrics into one place, making it easier for the team and stakeholders to check status without digging through multiple reports. At the end of the sprint, review completed issues and compare the planned work with what was actually finished. Look closely at any unfinished tasks and understand the reasons behind the delays. This final review helps you measure sprint completion rate, improve forecasting, and support healthier, more consistent team throughput over time.